Hello everyone. I hope you all are safe. Though we all know that we've been into a new unlockdown 1.0, and we all are maintaining and keeping our precautions, which is the only way of living now. Because the government has even announced that we need to be careful about our own health and the circumstances. So just try avoiding a lot of social distancing. Everyone is saying that, so I am just repeating, and though I really follow such instructions around me. Try maintaining a social distance. Do not go out if it is not necessary. Try wearing mask and gloves when you go out. So these are the basic things we need to be careful about. I think we all will fight successfully with this COVID-19 situation. Today we're going to talk about the benefits for international studies, the benefits of international studies for our Indian students. A lot of students come and ask and write me many times that what are the benefits of international studies, how international studies are different than Indian standards. So we're going to talk about the benefits of online or offline, anything, international studies in our Indian Society of Students, which is really very good ranking. I mean, it means hamari 70 to 80% population of this new generation wants to fly abroad and do complete their dreams of studying abroad, to have international standards. There are a lot of benefits we see for international studies. The first benefit I see is we see the world. We see the world when we fly from India and when we leave our home to study abroad in different countries. You know what? We learn a new culture. We learn a new world. In many perspectives like customs, cultures, new perspectives, हम बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं जब हम अपने home country से, अपने home से बाहर निकलते हैं. We learn a new, a culture. We generally experience a new handle of the country, a new customs of a country. हम बहुत कुछ नया experience करते हैं जब हम अपनी country को leave करते हैं. So that is a big exposure when you leave your country and see the world. Generally हम बहुत सारे students कई बार travel भी नहीं किए होते. This is the first time ever in their lives when they travel on their study permits. There's a different method of delivering of studies internationally, which is a vast progressive than Indian study structures, which is more beneficial for Indian study structures. हम इंडिया में तो पढ़ लिए हैं, अपनी होम कंट्री के बाद जब हम एक नया एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, that is the international studies, which really gains us a new culture inside us. We expose new things. We understand the new people around us. We understand the new culture, custom around us. So education makes really difference. The style and delivery, as हम यहाँ जैसे मैं बात करती हूँ कि India also has started the online delivery of many international programs. जहाँ पे जो इनकी delivery methods हैं, students are really enjoying doing it because they don't have exams. They have more practical approaches. They do more assignment-based studies. So the culture is definitely different in the education also. We take into the new culture, as I just mentioned. It is one of the progressive thing, prospective thing when we think about studying abroad. कि हमें बहुत कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है. The international standards of studies, the international customs, the new people, multinational, multicultural organizations. This which really teaches us more prospective future. We've seen a lot of students who fly to Canada, they fly to Quebec, or they fly to Montreal states, provinces, where they learn and they're keen to show their interest in learning French, because French is one basic language in that area, particularly, especially if we talk about, which helps them getting into permanent residences. And we find students going to Switzerland and other such countries where they learn French, Dutch, different languages. So languages skills definitely get improved. We get a lot of progress in the language. Talking about English, if forget about the another different languages of the country, we learn English language, as English is one exposed language when you leave India. I always say to students, English is very important nowadays, because in this competitive world, जब आप इंडिया को leave करते हो, from airport to your destination, English is the only language which is accepted, which cannot be ignored, and which is the only language which is understandable. So we should really concentrate on our English language skills. Except in English language, with this international structure of studies, we learn different languages. with this language skills requirements of different countries. Anyways, the next point was career opportunities. We have a lot of career opportunities when we study internationally. I've seen people study from Harvard or maybe Charles Darwin University or maybe Westminster University. There's a lot of high-ranking universities where if you are passed out from, you're graduate from these universities, you get more opportunities as in jobs and etc. in your home country as well. Not just the home country, India से बाहर भी अगर आप जिस host country में आप गए हैं, अगर आप वहाँ पे भी अपने लिए approach ढूंढते हैं for the job perspectives, you find after you complete your masters, you complete your graduations, you have more tendencies to work and find jobs. It is very important for the future potentials, for the future job perspectives. Your international studies are really important. When we fly abroad, हमें लगता है कि हम एक नया interest अपने अंदर scale करते हैं. When I was never been abroad, I never knew that I will be so good into business, right? I will be a self-business woman one day. I've never thought it, but this international experience has, with the international experience, I've gained this in me कि मैं एक international campus में चला सकती हूँ शायद, क्योंकि वो experience था जो मुझे उसने ये सिखाया. It introduced a new skill inside me. So with this international experience, आपके अंदर एक interest जो छुपा हुआ है अभी, शायद it really pops up because multi-cultural structures में हम पढ़ते हैं where all kind of different countries students are generally in the same class. So आप नए friends बना पाते हो, different culture के friends बना पाते हो, जो आपको शायद इंडिया में रह के exposure नहीं मिलता. So this exposure also gets you into benefit. You personally develop yourself. आपकी पर्सनालिटी में बहुत डेवलपमेंट आता है जब आप इंटरनेशनली स्टडीज के लिए ऑप्ट करते हो. अगर आपने देखा होगा आपके फ्रेंड्स, आपके रिलेटिव्स, ब्रदर्स, सिस्टर्स, there's a lot of growth in their personalities, there's a lot of development in their personalities. Why? Because the culture around them helps you promoting that development inside them. जो शायद हम अपनी होम कंट्री में रह के इतना प्रमोशंस नहीं गेन कर पाते. It's not the college's campus's fault. Maybe the surroundings are like this. We are forced to be in a same structure. We do not promote ourselves as in personality developments, which if internationally we fly, our English improves, our personality improves because we live in a surrounding with multicultural experiences. It's a lifetime experience. When we study online, I studied internationally. It was a lifetime experience for me, which changed my thinkings, mentalities, which changed me inside as a person. हमें लगता है कि हमारे बच्चे भी बहुत छोटे हैं, इनको बाहर नहीं भेजना है, maybe they are not safe there. I think the safety perspectives are very high. Students see a lot of growth in themselves because they decide things independently. They rather be more responsible if they fly abroad, if they study abroad. उनको लगता है कि अब उन्हीं को decisions लेने हैं सारे. So we've seen a lot of responsibilities taking capacities when they go abroad. I think so. International studies really gives us an immersed level of growth inside us. किसी भी एक इंसान को हर एक स्टेज पे जब भी आपको मौका मिलता है, कोई भी कंट्री है, अपने आप को इंटरनेशनली एक्सपोज जरूर करना चाहिए, अपने लैंग्वेज स्किल्स को इम्प्रूव करना चाहिए, अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस को वास्ट करना चाहिए. दिस विल हेल्प अस ग्रोइंग इन आवर ओन होम कंट्रीज वन डे. Fine, I hope I've cleared all the points which was important. International studies really makes our lifestyle different. So if we have that options in our life, if we have that financial capacity, we should try once. We should definitely fly abroad, find a new host country for you, which you think should be your final destinations, and learn and come back home, serve your own home country. India will grow this way. So till then, we'll speak again. I hope you all will stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.